Hey, welcome back to the another section. So in the last section already we installed PostgreSQL and pgadmin4. So after installing PostgreSQL, I opened pgadmin4. So it will ask password. The password I have given 1234. Then we have to create a database. So to create a database, just you have to right click on database and you have to create database name. You have to give here I'm going to give Metro. So you can give your own database. Command also, if you want, you can mention. So most of the case, we'll mention POSDB. So it's creating. Let it create. So now we have to change the configuration. So setting.py database configuration completely we are going to change. So SQLite we are used. Instead of we are going to change to Postgres SQL. The name of the database again we have to change. So that now we create a database called Metro. Then you have to specify user and password. User is PostgreSQL. That is a default user we root user. Then password is 1234. Always use strong password. For here we are just a demo purpose. That's purpose we are using 1234 only. And save. So the database Metro is created. So you can see inside the database Metro is coming. So next step is we have to mention the host also. Local host I have mentioned. Now we have the configuration is ready and the PostgreSQL is ready. But we need a connector between these two, right? This is actually completely independent softwares, right? PostgreSQL is different and Python Django is a different. So we should need a package to connect this. So that purpose we have to install a package. We'll use pip install. The package name is psy. Oh, sorry, some spelling mistake in install. So it's completed. Now we have everything is there. Just we have to migrate this. So we are using manage.py migration, make migration to migrate this database. So already Django has some models, default library model. So that we have to merge with the database. Let's see. We'll use Python manage.py make migration. Setting.py we are not save. I think where some error is there. Oh, we here with the driver name is different. One more S I added. See here, right? So we didn't add any changes in the model.py file, but we can migrate whatever there in the default file. We'll give migration only. So the default data are migrated. We have user table. So Django related all table are migrated. If you want to create a new table, we have to create a model for that. Then we have to migrate. Then automatically it will be added in the database. We'll check out the database. So we'll refresh the database. So inside Metro, if you go inside schemas, we can view the tables. So these are the default tables related to Django. These all are Django default tables. Inside we having ID, password, all this login details. User table, then other session related table, permission group, all these default tables are migrated. After applying migration, it's automatically created. Now we need to create any new tables, means we have to define models and we have to run that. So this is the basic step we did. Now if you want to create a admin user or super administrator, we have to use Python manage.py and create super user. Username will give admin. Email ID will give admin at s.com. Password will give 1234 1234. So this is a weak password. Anyway, we can give yes only. So super user is created. Now we'll run the server again. Server is running now. So we have to log into admin side. We have to type slash admin for the admin dashboard. This is the default admin dashboard for Django. Then we have to type username and password is 1234. So you should give strong password. This is the demo or testing purpose we are doing. So just we can add at 1234 remembering that. But when you are going to live project, you should give strong password. Let login. Wow, we got a screen right here, right? So this is the default screen. This is the default users that already we created using super user command. So admin is there. If you want to create new user, you can add it here itself. So if you want comment prompt also you can create. So this is the default settings where group is there, user is there. The table structure we already show in the Postgres browser, right? So we saw that already. This is structure, users, groups, and permissions.